Welcome, and today we're going to take a minute to get to know model S3CW, the clothing steam care system by LG. Finish off your home laundry system with the S3CW. It refreshes and deodorizes your clothes without any harmful chemicals. It's perfect for professionals, those that may require sanitizing of fabrics, as the S3CW is also certified by the Asthma and Allergy Friendly Association of Canada. This clothing steam care system requires no plumbing. Simply fill up the water reservoir and you're good to go. With the LG's ThinkQ app, you can remotely start or monitor your garment's progress. You can also track energy consumption or download newly developed care cycles if you wish. The gentle dry of the S3CW is the perfect solution for clothes that are susceptible to shrinking, as the environment is much less harsh compared to any clothes dryer.
For more information and exclusive pricing on this product, visit our website, canadianappliance.ca, to chat with an online agent and receive a live product demonstration.